All right, you're welcome once again. Somebody said I should make a video. Imagine this AC was to be a kind of old air conditioner and you need to mount this hanger and you don't have the base, as I always show you on my videos. Let me show you how to do it. This is what you need to do. This is the hanger, right? You mount the hanger to the wall. You take your appropriate markings. Understand? That is not.
So after tightening one of the legs, I now had to go down and measure the distance between the brackets of between the legs, the foot of the air condition. So with that now, I've been able to measure it to know, okay, that gave me 19. I measured my 19 and I marked it using the existing hanger already. So I measured my 19, I marked it, and I'm trying to mark where my screws and fisher will go through. So I've just marked it and I will drill it up. If I finish drilling it up, I have to add up my fisher and screw, and I just have to take time to this is where the mountain is. So after this, I will need to put in pegs. Some people call it pegs, but I mostly call it fisher. I mostly call it plastic fisher or rubber fisher. So the rubber fisher is now to go into the wall, and we'll be able to give a chance for the screw to come in and stay firmly. Understand? Stay firmly. If you notice something, I used hammer to punch it into the wall and I did not finish it. Like I had to remove some millimeter outside, like outside the wall. Like I don't allow it to go directly into the wall totally. So keeping such millimeter distance, that is what I have been able to use to set my screws. I use a ratchet spanner. That's why you see me working like this. I had to use a ratchet spanner to do that. So the screws are durable enough for me to use for the job, and they are very strong. They can carry the AC for as long as the AC wants to exist in that place. So it's as easy as that. It's not a big deal. So with this now, you've been able to learn how to install your AC hanger without using the other method I showed you. You have to use this particular old method. It's not actually old method, it's a general method, because when installing an old air condition, you do this already.
So
why this one is
this
two?
now?
Why this one is two? This one is one.
Is that okay? That was a good question. This part I choose to use. It could have been two, but I choose to use one because on an air condition, you see one side is lighter than the other. This is where we don't have the compressor. This is where we have the compressor, and this compressor angle is heavier than this other side. So this side carries less weight than this side. Understand? That's why I choose to use two here and I use one here, but both of them are strongly mounted. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Can you see that? Perfect.